Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is chicken curry or chicken kurma. This is a spicy South Indian style curry. This is one of the easiest recipe that even a beginner can cook with an amazing outcome. All the ingredients are mentioned here. Before we move on, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and do like, comment and share my recipes. To a pan, add 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, dry roast on low flame. Be careful not to burn it. Now roast this till you get that nice aroma. Turn off the flame and add 1 inch of fresh ginger. Transfer this to a plate and keep this aside. Now to the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add in 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, roast this for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame or till you get that nice aroma. Now add the roasted coconut to a mixie jar. Now add in the spice powders. And grind this to a very fine paste. So this is our masala paste. To a cooking pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 onions finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now saute well till the onions change color. Now add in 3 tomatoes finely chopped, cook this well. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add in 1 small potato cut into cubes. This is optional. Now add in 750 grams of clean chicken. Now cook this for some time. Then add 2 cups of water. Once the water comes to a boil, add in the masala paste. Now mix everything really well. Now cook this till all the raw smell goes away. Lastly, add slit green chilies and chopped coriander leaves. Delicious and very flavorful chicken curry or chicken kurma is all done. It's pretty easy to make and it tastes amazing. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments, and do keep coming back to my channel for more interesting recipes.
Like, share and subscribe, and thank you for all the love and support.